We are going to one of the best places in the south tomorrow. We are leaving to Coorg, and this is the right time to go there. The reason I didn't tell you guys about this.
Funky.
So today is the last day of our trip. Finally the trip came to an end after this, the 5th day, and I'm feeling a bit sad because our trip is over, our bike ride is over. We had like a lot of fun. Okay guys, so I'm all set already. We just packed all our stuff again and we'll be leaving now to Hyderabad. Plan is we'll just go to the highway somewhere and have some breakfast. Right now I'm happy and I'm sad at the same time. Happy because we are going to ride for almost 600 kilometers today. Sad because the journey will come to an end. Anyway, chalo, let's go back home. One more reason to happiness is I'm going back to Hyderabad. Missing it already. See, this is the reason we booked our hotel closer to the highway. This is the maximum traffic we might encounter. Otherwise, half of our energy will be drained in the traffic itself. A little bit cloudy. I just hope it doesn't rain. Because guys, it's peak monsoon season and to our luck, it didn't rain all these days. How lucky are we, right? At least we didn't get wet. It rained here and there, but it was not like so much. Just a spill of rain here and there. It's really boring to show you guys the same boring Hyderabad Bangalore highway. It's fun to ride for some time, but you get sleepy after an hour or so. No turns, no hiccups, nothing, just one straight boring road. But before that, we will be stopping for breakfast here. And we ate like a bit heavily because we're planning not to stop for another 100-150 kilometers, and lunch break will be only after 2 o'clock. So man, I really miss Coorg roads, guys. They were real fun. It was stressful, but at least not boring. Okay, we just stopped here at this hotel called Blue Moon Hotel. This is somewhere between Anantapur and Kurnool. We'll have some lunch now, and after this we're not going to stop till another 150 or 160 kilometers. We're not really hungry, but we should have something, right? One advantage of wearing a backpack is you can just take it and go. Otherwise these people keep worrying about their luggage because they can't take the saddlebag all the time. For me, I just pick it up like this and go. No worries. Just started raining heavily. There is a thick black cloud here. I guess it rained heavily here. The roads are really wet. I have a feeling I'm gonna be really drenched by the time I reach home. 198 kilometers more.
So far no problem with rain, but we shall wear our rain pants and stuff in the next break.
Another 200 kilometers to reach Hyderabad, and it started raining here. And we lost Kishore. We're waiting for him. As soon as he comes, we'll leave.
It's smashing rain out there. Looks really beautiful and scenic, but again, I think the ride is going to turn a little bit adventurous. Okay guys, right now it's dark. I did not vlog till now because I put back the action camera in the bag because it started raining heavily. Now it's better. But guys, we actually had a tough time managing the bikes. Our visors were hit by huge drops, and visibility was maybe 20 or 30% at the max. See you guys at home.